Welcome back to
Fashion trends.
Yes, ma'am.
Like I said this is western, complete western piece. If you see, this is off-shoulder dress, complete with lace and embossed chiffon. This can be worn again like a one piece. Actually, it's a one piece. Yeah, but in case somebody wants to wear, they can just wear a dupatta and a legging, and it becomes a Indo-Western dress as well. It's a total one piece concept, but you can always make it as Indo-Western. You just have to use a little of imagination and just transform a fabric dress by itself.
And what is this fabric called?
This is embossed French chiffon, which is not available here. This is basically the whole fabric is sourced from abroad, and this is chantel, black chantel lace.
Chantel lace.
Chantel lace.
Okay.
This is basically a French lace, which is not available here. Abroad, it is used for bridal gowns, even for your very expensive lingeries, and of course, we use it as saris. We also use it for different kinds of gowns and dresses.
How much this would cost?
This dress is priced around 3,000 something.
3,000.
Yeah, but in case you're not interested in this, we can also do something like this for the people who want something
With
different.
low cost.
Yeah, like if you see, this is also a dress. It's got a little bit of sequins, black sequins,
Black
a sash, embossed sash with a brooch. Again, this is also versatile. You wear it like with a shrug, you wear it by itself, or you wear it with a jeans or a legging. Yeah. As it is, it can be worn as one piece.
One piece.
Yeah.
And what is this material?
This is French chiffon again. Yeah, embossed French chiffon.
What about this?
This is georgette, dyed. As I said, we use white fabric. This is dyed. Georgette is dyed into green. But if you see, we have given a black lining, so it gives a shaded effect.
Okay.
Basically, it's called kind of layering. So we've given a black lining, so that gives a more shaded effect. Because in case sometimes you give the same color lining, it's too much on the face. Sometimes it doesn't give that sober effect. So we use, or sometimes we use different kind of techniques just to enhance the look of the dress. Like what happened, these are, I showed you with work and stuff. There are some fabrics, there are some people who are not very keen on getting work done. So this is again a digital. If you see, this is also one piece, but with a lot of, detailing. Yeah, detailing basically. So that when you wear it, it gives a very nice shape to your, upper body, as well as it camouflages your stomach and abdomen. Sometimes what happens, you have a little bit of, a little flesh or something. Then this kind of dress, it camouflages the whole thing, and your body structure looks very nice.
It fits all kinds
Yeah,
of
mostly
body.
yes. And we also have a lot of margin, and I prefer to give a lot of margin because these are expensive dresses, which girls, they can wear for a very longer time.
Yeah,
Yeah, basically a jute silk, but we have given a net sleeve and a silk sash, so that it gives a more elegant look. Again, this can be worn with a chudidar and a dupatta, and it becomes an Indo-Western dress. By itself, it's a dress by itself.
How much this would cost?
This should be about 2,500.
మేడం మీరు ఇంకా ఎలాంటి క్లాత్స్ యూస్ చేస్తారు వెస్టర్న్ వేర్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్?
This is chantel fabric, just as I showed you one black dress earlier. This is the fabric which is mostly used abroad for bridal gowns and for lingeries, very expensive lingeries like La Senza and different kinds of fabrics, different kinds of stores. This basically, as Indians, we use it for saris. We also use it for different kinds of outfits here. But abroad, it is used for gowns and lingerie. Basically, this fabric is not available here. These are called chantel laces.
Chantel.
Yeah, mostly it is available in European countries. The best chantel comes from UK, which is actually not made in UK, but it's exported because you have a very good clientele over there, and then you get good fabrics, similar fabrics in UAE.
ఓకే.
Beneath this, you can wear satin underskirt, raw silk underskirt. We also give Indo-Western blouses. I'll just show you like these kind of blouses. Of course, not the combination, but I'm just showing you. It gives a very delicate look to the thing. We do different kinds of blouses for these kind of saris. You can also have a regular blouse, but girls trendy, these are more trendy. This comes like a halter. You can just tie it at the back. We also have a system to put a hook there, so that you don't have a malfunction kind of stuff. These are also, this is more different kind of thing if you see. Yeah, it's a halter blouse. And at the back we've given a brooch. This is again a halter. Same thing. Yeah, this can be worn with kanchis, pattus, any kind of fabrics, any kind of saris. Girls want a little more Indo-Western look. Sometimes they don't wear the traditional blouses. So this is where these kind of blouses pitch in. Then we have different kinds of bridal wear.
All right, and you also have gagras for.
Yeah, we have this kind of blouses.
What kind of work is this?
This is basically pearl work. If you see with stones, beads, and zari. These are all Swarovski stones with dash of kardana. Because basically the below lehenga is in pink color. We've used a lot of pink on this, pink and silver. This is the dupatta. Lot of pearl work you can see. Lot of sequins, tube work you can see.
మరి కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఫ్రెషర్స్ పార్టీ ఫేర్వెల్ పార్టీ ఇలాంటి అకేషన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ దే కెన్ ప్రిఫర్?
These are kind of saris which can be worn for all kinds of occasions. Basically, if the girls are looking for freshers party or some pre-bridal functions or for some pujas, because of wedding season and festival season is coming around, they like to dress up in a more traditional way. So we give this kind of traditional colors and this kind of traditional work. If you see, there's a lot of gota here, lot of sada work, beaten zari work, ari work, sequins work, all clubbed into one. So it looks more, like festival wear and more stylish rather than the regular stone work and regular heavy stuff. You've given it different ways. Coming to this, it's more stylish sari because it's got this is a net sari with lot of work on the border and lot of booties here. This can be worn with a satin lehenga, a lama lehenga or a brocade lehenga. It's got a very different kind of blouse. You can see different kinds of work in this as well. Lot of stone work, lot of zari. Plus it's got lot of silver touch which can be worn with any kind of jewelry basically. You actually don't need a lot of jewelry also, just long earrings, chandelier earrings should do. But a little different combination. It's got a net blouse. If you see, you just have to stitch it in a different way and it looks very stylish.
What is
This is again French chiffon. Yeah, embossed French chiffon, which you don't get here. If you see the weight wise also, the sari is very lightweight.
Yes.
Very lightweight. Basically they say कि French chiffon should pass through a ring. Of course this doesn't pass through a ring, but it's very closer to that. Very delicate and nice. You wear it with a pearls in your, it looks very stylish.
ఇప్పుడు మనం మెన్స్ వేర్ చూద్దాం. మేడం, మెన్స్ వేర్లో మీ దగ్గర ఎలాంటి డిజైనర్ వేర్ ఉన్నాయి?
See, we have different kinds of things for menswear. We also do a lot of sherwanis. Like you can see, this is the collar, this is the cuff, and this comes on the sleeves, two sleeves. Because embroidery is now no more only a woman's forte. A lot of men also want to get dressier and look smarter. So we have this kind, and it's, if you see, it's done on a very the colors of the embroidery is little bright, but we've done a very basic neutral color like brown, so that it enhances the thing and it goes with most of the men complexion basically. For a little more adventurous, we also have something in green. If you see, lot of work is done on the collar. This is the kurta patti. This is the collar. This is for slightly more younger guys. They like to wear little more trendier thing. So this comes on one side of the kurta, and this is the cuffs. This is the collar again. Again, this is a lot of stones, lot of pearl work in it, plus zari.
ఓకే. అండ్ దిస్ క్లాత్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as మెటీరియల్.
This is again brocade. We prefer to do menswear on brocades because it carries more elegance and it looks more neat. Basically, these few colors we get it custom made. There's these kind of bright colors you don't get in tone. If you see, it has got a blend of black and blue.
Yes, yes.
Both. Generally, what happens is either it is too loud or too toned. If you see, this is a more stylish wear. This is more like a transparent thing. Again, this is the collar. This is on the side of the kurta, and this is the collar patti. It comes on the collar. This is the sleeve.
Cuffs.
Yeah, cuffs. It comes here, and because it is too much of work on one side, we prefer not to give anything on the patti. And this got a very interesting collar. It comes like a proper V, ताबीज़ गला जैसे बोलते हैं, उस type का. So it looks more stylish.
అండ్ ఈ క్లాత్ని ఏమంటారు?
This is the jute net.
జూట్ నెట్.
Jute net. looks more different, transparent sleeves. Maybe don't give lining, so it's more like Karan Johar kind of stuff.
మేడం ఈ వర్క్ అంతా చేయడానికి మీకు ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది?
ప్రతి కుర్తాకి వేరే వేరే టైం పడుతుంది అండి. సమ్ కుర్తాస్ టేక్ అబౌట్ 4 days, some takes about 10 days, 15 days, depends on the intricacy of the work, how long it takes. And sometimes it also depends ki how intricate you are getting, and the tone of the embroidery, it all depends on that.
అండ్ మీకు వర్కర్స్ ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్?
Actually 20, but presently because of the holiday season and all, we are little, because of Telangana Bandh and all, we are having lot of problems.
So any kind of work you can
Yes,
handle?
all kinds of work. Even the most Maskati work and all, which is not available now, but we keep doing that. We have some karigars who are very well trained into this kind of stuff. So any kind of work, any kind of detailing can be done with us.
Thank you so much, Shalini Agarwal.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing all your experiences.
Thank you. It was
and
a
your,
pleasure.
materials and everything.
Thank you.
చూసారు కదండి లైలాక్ ద డిజైనర్ స్టూడియోలోని డిజైనర్ వేర్స్. మరి మనం వచ్చే వారం మరో డిజైనర్ వేర్స్ తోటి మరో చోట కలుద్దాం. అంతవరకు కీప్ వాచింగ్ KIB TV. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ దీప్తి సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్.